right, let's get this one started here. Round one is underway. And we've got a striker who is a force to be reckoned with. Tonight, though, he draws a guy who can do a little bit of everything.
And that guy is usually the one that will have the advantage. But we know what a high-level striker is, and this guy is as high level as we've ever seen in the UFC.
Oh, nice connection with that punch. It's one thing to have an edge in reach. It's another to take advantage. Nicely done.
Big kick lands.
Well, that one should leave a mark. Outstanding leg kick employed there by Lee. He blocks the shot.
Beat him to the punch. Beat first.
Just missed with the straight left hand.
Big liver kick lands under the elbow. Nice strike.
Oh, that couldn't have felt good as he lands the knee to the body. He's a tall fighter, and he's going to have the size advantage against most opposition in this division. Sound defense there as he blocks the shot. Good series of strikes by him there.
Great job of mixing it up, staying active, keeping busy, doing great work.
It's there, the uppercut.
Well, the left hook has been there at times, not that time.
Use your footwork now. It's okay.
What a punch. Ooh, head kick lands, and he's hurt.
And he landed the right hand there. Trying to hammer that lead leg. Oh, left hook to the head, it's blocked. Under 3 minutes now to go in the round.
Big kick lands.
Flush right hand is true. And both guys really throwing with authority. Oh, beautiful counter jab upstairs for him there. He's got the reach advantage, and that certainly helped him in that exchange.
What a tricky head kick.
Nice defense there, huge block.
My goodness.
He is all about that left kick to the body.
Look at him whip his hip into that kick.
Oh, straight punch lands flush on the counter. Nice deception with his footwork. And again, we're a broken record when it comes to the reach advantage. Certainly helped him out there. And he connects there, DC.
Great job landing that punch. Beautiful head kick. Beautiful body kick lands right under the elbow. Look at him working at trying to shut the liver down.
So he's really starting to put together some significant body shots here. These are going to take their toll as this fight goes on. Oh, really exploiting his reach advantage as he landed the jab there, DC. Went for the inside leg kick.
He has a commitment to kicking tonight, and it shows. Big body kick lands.
Oh, nice connection there with a punch, DC.
Great timing to land that punch. He's very tricky when he throws that body kick.
30 seconds now to go in round one. Oh, nice jab there. He told us on Thursday he wanted to break this dude's nose. That is certainly a step in the right direction.
Mission accomplished. You are battering that nose. He's got to be careful dipping his head when he's throwing that jab. Big punch lands over the top. How's he going to follow this one?
Huge block there. All right, let's check out some of the action now from that previous round, and he really kept finding a home for those kicks.
Yeah, and why would you change it? If your opponent is not going to check, if he's going to stand there and he's not on his toes and he's stationary, you keep driving those kicks into his thighs, into his body, until he makes some sort of adjustment.
All right, DC, second round is getting underway. Round one, not the round of the year necessarily, but some good in there.
And it's not always going to be. When you have two very talented fighters, sometimes it's very even. That's what we saw in round number one. Game of inches right there, boy. Wow. It was good night if that landed.
Oh!
Dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
Well, he's been pretty accurate tonight. He's landed some significant strikes, but his corner's looking for him to mix it up a little bit more and just throw more volume.
Because they don't see too much of a threat. This guy has to have confidence in knowing that when he extends his combinations, he's still safe, but he's also going to be able to land. He's got to be finding that confidence in his mind that all the reps in the training room are going to pay off.
Oh, nice punch there by Lee. Oh, now he stuns him beautifully with the left hand.
The left hand is so accurate. He's so educated. He's so able to fight from both fighting stances.
Well, not much of a setup there. Misses with the left hook. Right hand on point. Well, he's been good tonight, but he missed with that one. Oh, spinning back fist out of nowhere. Blocks the shot.
He's throwing every part of himself into these big leg kicks.
And both fighters exchange in the pocket. Misses again with a right punch. Just over 3 minutes to go in round two. Oh, continuing to work the body to great effect. Oh, he landed a beautiful straight punch there, DC. He's got an edge in reach and certainly is making it count in this one. Oh, big roundhouse attempt, but unable to land. Massive head kick.
Left hook, right hand.
Nice hook lands.
Liver kick, if you take those kicks, it's gonna shut your body off.
He blocks the punch. Well, he's really picked up the pace here in round two. Much more aggressive now here and starting to find himself in the pocket.
Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back to range.
He lands the head kick. So there it is, longer reach paying dividends as he counters with a punch. Lands flush with that right hand. Oh, nice slip there. It sounds simple, right? Hit and don't get hit, but this guy's defense has been sharp tonight.
Cat and mouse, you gotta play cat and mouse. Hit and don't get hit. He does a great job of that.
Oh, nice jab to the head there by Lee. And just inches away from landing one of those big right hands.
Oh, nice.
Oh!
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
High-level MMA defense there, able to avoid the punch. Nice job. Whoa!
Oh, he's hurt bad. He's hurt bad, John. He's got to press him. He's got to go chase that finish down now.
Checks that leg kick. Goes back to that left kick once again.
There's no give on that leg kick. Big punch lands. Ooh.
Move for me, come on, keep those feet moving.
Over and over, he lands big body kicks. No shin guard. He's taking all of that kick every time he throws it.
Oh, hard work pays off, lands the Superman punch flush.
Good punch.
It's the elbow there. 10 minutes in the books. All right, let's take a look back at some of the highlights from those previous 5 minutes, DC, and no padding, no glove on that foot.
No glove, no padding, and look at the hip action when he throws those kicks. He's not only kicking just for feel, he's really trying to damage his opponent, and as the fight goes longer, you will start to see it take an effect.
All right, another round is now underway. Pretty good previous 2 rounds. We'll see who makes the requisite adjustments now moving forward.
The adjustments are going to be the key, John. When you're doing everything you're trained to do, and it stays this close, you gotta really switch it up. What corner was able to relay that message to their fighter better in between rounds?
Well, he hasn't really showed any signs of slowing down tonight. He continues to connect on a high volume of strikes here. Oh, a huge block there.
Nice head kick. Ooh, what a punch. Big kick.
Trying to establish that jab once again. Bone on bone as the head kick lands flush.
He better get those hands up or he's gonna put him to sleep. I mean, he's cutting them down to size with these beautiful leg kicks.
Nice punch by Lee. Just misses with a left hook there. Oh, he lands another strike to the body, really starting to pile up these body shots here in the latter stages of this fight. You didn't see a lot of that in the earlier rounds, making up for lost time here.
Look at the angle of that nice body kick.
Oh, that straight punch was useful, champ.
Multiple times he's used this punch to get to the target. Big kick lands.
Lee's kick to the body is blocked. Just over 3 minutes to go in round 3.
Liver kick.
Well, you've got to admire the urgency here. He is trying to keep the judges out of it, lighten up his opponent left and right.
Look at the whip action that comes from him throwing that kick.
Back and forth we go. Nice spinning attack to the body lands for him.
Real sneaky body kick.
Oh, massive head kick there. We'll see if he can finish. Oh! Oh, he missed with that right hand.
Look at him drive his shin into his opponent's body with that body kick. Great punch.
Good job keeping that head off the center line. Slips to avoid the right hand. Just unable to quite find that range.
Beautiful body kick. Can't take many of those, you better check.
Oh, connects with the 1-2. And he lands a kick to the leg now. Pretty good work on the feet tonight by Lee.
Oh, big punch lands. You gotta check these low leg kicks.
Counter jab snaps the head back. That should get his attention.
Nice head kick.
Head kick partially blocked.
Big kick.
Whoa!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Man, looks like he's trying to set records here, landing all of these strikes. He is aggressive to a fault and really has been all night long as he continues to pour it on. Got to be careful here, though, not to gas out. Whoa! Wow! Back to the feet. Seconds winding down in round 3.
I mean, look at the commitment to kicking in this fight.
That's 3 rounds in the can. We're headed to the championship rounds. So the crowd voicing its appreciation after that round. We had a knockdown courtesy of a punch midway through. DC, here's your highlight.
It was straight. He threw him in combination and landed that big punch that really did hurt his opponent. Lesser men would have been done. He's got a tough guy in front of him. He will have to go back to this again. He will have to get back to this action if he wants to get the desired finish.
You ready? You ready?
We have arrived at the 4th round, fight scheduled for 5 5-minute rounds. Oh, body kick attempt here, it's no good. Punches in bunches, and he hasn't really shown any signs of slowing down here tonight. I'm not sure how much more his opponent can take.
Buddy, man, these are bad.
Back to the feet. Outstanding output on both sides. How good is that right hand?
Keep the pressure on him. Right here.
Big kick land. Dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
Back to the feet.
Get right here.
Oh, big left hook there. Obvious redness on the right side of his body. Oh, looking to land the leg kick, but unable to find the target.
It's such a fast leg kick.
Back to the feet. And he connects with a punch there. We'll see if he can follow it up.
He's landed that punch over and over again. What's he gonna do to follow up?
Well, some fighters, when they get cracked in the mouth, they respond well. He got stunned earlier in the round and hasn't really recovered or gotten back into things.
People react differently, right? Some people just get back going. He's having a hard time building his way back into this fight.
Keep your hands up for me. Come on now. Let's move. Let's make it move.
Game of inches right there, boy. Wow. It was a good night if that landed.
Misses with the left hook. Oh! He's out!
He got him! What a fight!
Yeah, man, crowd loving it. Just a gorgeous shot there to end the fight. Really just the way he drew it up. He found the opening and capitalized on it to the utmost extent. Nicely done to finish the fight. Well, we'll take a look back at the highlights. You know we're going to find that nasty head kick somewhere in this highlight rip. Just an incredible result for him here tonight.
A very nice head kick to finish the fight, but don't ignore all the work he did with his hands and give credit to the opponent. The opponent was in there every step of the way, and in order to get a fight of the